Mario, Jimmy, Mud, B-Rad, Chris, Gordon, Willie, Andrew. Alright guys, everybody's on 5-minute pace. 5 minutes personal lap timer. Alright guys, a minute and a half in, 3.5 to go. We got Chris Kramer out to 1, Brad in the 2, Mario in the 3, Jimmy in the 4, Gordon in the 5, Sean in the 6, Andrew in the 7, Bud in the 8, and Willie in the 9. Alright, now we got Brad out there on the 1, Chris in the 2, Mario in the 3, Jimmy to the 4, Sean 5, Gordon 6, Bud 7, Andrew 8, Willie 9. Fast lap right now goes to Brad with 0.78.
Good.
On 11.510 pace. Chris is on 11.516 pace. About 2 seconds behind Brad. Mario's on the 10.505. Jimmy's on the 10.504.
Minutes left.
Alright guys, you heard it, 2 minutes left on the big clock. Up next is going to be 2-wheel drive stock trucks. 2-wheel drive stock stadium truck. Alright, is up next. A minute and a half left to go on this one. Alright guys, 1 minute left to go. Still got Brad out front, 11.512, Chris with 11.519, Mario with 11.523, Sean with a 10.5 flat, Jimmy with a 11.549, Sean with a 10.5 flat, Muscle with a 10.513, Gordon with a 10.518.
Woohoo! Sorry, man. Yeah, you tied us both up. Because there's just, the brakes are so bad. Can't stop. It's okay, he'll Cranford his way right through us again. I just cannot get enough rear bite.
All right, guys, it's time on the big clock. Keep going till you hear your name. Keep going till you hear your name. Caution doesn't triple.
Woo!
All right, guys, cross the line. You're done. Mud, you're done. Everybody else can cross the line. You will be done.
Ah, come on.
Brad done. Muscles done. Sean Clark done. Chris Kramer done. Jimmy Woodley done.
We'll put Brad in the number 2 spot on the grid.
Oh, shoot.
DK in the 3, Chris Kramer in the 4, Mario in the 5, Sean in the 6, Jimmy in the 7.
Man, you were catching me. I can't believe I got in ahead of you.
10, David in 11,
All
Megan 12,
Yeah, me too.
13, Gordon
I was
14,
just breathing on the throttle.
15, Willie Henderson
I mean, it's way
16,
better than
Jake
it
Eagle,
was.
17, and
But
John
man, it
Fowler,
was
18
loose.
as far as the starting grid.
It's running smooth.
All right, guys, 2
It felt pretty good. Yeah, yeah. Oh, maybe I can.
The race is complete.